I have always wanted to take an AMG G63 off-roading, and today we're finally getting a chance to do that. We're out here in Southern California at Racer Vehicle Recreation Area, basically just the desert. And we've got a G63 with the Offroad Pro package, which is a $13,450 option. It includes some new drive modes, underbody protection, a roof rack, smaller wheels, bigger tires, and a couple other things like a little ladder in the back, and we'll show you guys. It's pretty cool. You can engage the off-road modes by locking your center differential, activating the off-road drive program, and then you can choose between trail, rock, or sand. And sand loosens traction control pretty much all the way, so you can slide this thing around. It turns into a bit of a rally car. 577 horsepower from the 4-liter bi-turbo V8. Love this engine. And this one is painted in gold, which looks just fantastic. You can see the roof rack. Not the most aggressive general grabber tires, a little bit more street oriented. So we'll see how they hold up today to sidewall puncture resistance. But we've got some really trick suspension, AMG ride control dampers. Ride quality on this off-road is fantastic. Front bumper guard. Looks pretty good with the roof rack. 9.5 inches of ground clearance. Mud flaps in the back to protect anyone who might be behind you as you're spinning all 4 tires at 80 miles an hour. And look at the hardware on this tire carrier. Well, that's plastic, but this is metal. Wow. Hopefully we won't need this today. Knock on rubber. You even get a little ladder back here. 100 kilogram weight rated. All right. Look at that. Very nice. I'll show you guys what this roof rack looks like. Don't step on the fender. Yeah, could set my tent up on here. Sleep up here. This is very nice. You lose a little bit of sunroof functionality, but yeah, looks like pretty good hardware. This G63 also features a full suite of off-road cameras. I'm sure we'll need and use some of them today. Let's see if we can glance at some of this underbody protection here. Oh yeah, we got metal skids protecting pretty much everything in the front of the vehicle. That's great. Super flat underbody, plenty of ground clearance here. All right, let's hop in. Show you around the interior of this G63 a little bit. We've driven these many times before, so this is nothing new. You've got your off-road cockpit right here where you can see a lot of different information. Tire pressure, engine temperature, active suspension. You can swipe between a few different things here like your GPS position, engine data, drive modes. See, we got the center of diff locked right now. You change your drive modes down here with this switch, or individual selections with your suspension, traction control, right here with these little screens. I love these little drive mode configurators. They work so well in AMG products, and it's maybe seems silly to have extra screens on your steering wheel, but it gets the job done, and it's so useful in practice. All right, well, that's enough just sitting around talking. Let's go out onto some trails and show you guys what this can do off-road. A lot of forward traction, not a lot of lateral traction with these tires. It's so fast. 577 horsepower here. Rotates nicely on throttle. so dialed in. A little bit of a jump here. Look at that, coming down from speed. Who would have thought you could mob so hard in a G-Wagon? That's just awesome. We'll spin around here. I was hoping that the off-road package here would give us slightly better off-road tires. These are definitely more aggressive than what comes on the G63, which is a more performance-oriented summer tire. But I guess you can always do that on your own in the aftermarket. Bit of rally car action here. Just so fast. Let's go down here. And the goal today is to not puncture a sidewall. Handling this washboarding great. Yeah, the suspension feels really good. What do we have here? Sand trail. Let's go into trail. This will switch up our traction control a little bit here. The off-road modes are super easy to engage, really nice to use on this G63.
Caution, risk of skidding.
All right, we are picking up on the Mojave Trail. We just got done with a very, very cool hike through Spooky Canyon. There's a bunch of different little offshoots through here. This whole floodplain valley is just so scenic, so pretty. The big surprise after spending some time with this G63 is just their level of refinement here. There are no shakes and rattles over washboarding. It's really just a well bolted together interior. The refinement with the powertrain, the suspension tuning is just awesome. Let's see, let's go into sand here. It just mows over everything so well. There isn't quite the same level of protection with the tire or grip laterally here with these more performance-oriented all-terrain tires, but it's getting through admirably. We are aired down to about 30 psi in this today, giving us just a little bit better ride comfort and sidewall squish in case if we do come upon some sharp, jagged rocks. It's a shame people don't off-road these G-Wagons more often. They are just so pleasant, so nice. I love the steering. It's a quicker rack. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah, wipers come on automatically, thank you. Excuse me. Shot of the Raptor there doing its thing. Tire malfunction. Let's double check something here. 29, 33. All right, I think I'm losing air. I'm down to 26 from 29. Honestly, we might be best to just change out the tire here while we have like flat ground and shade.
All right, sounds good. Bring it on back.
All right, well, it looks like we got a little bit of a puncture in one of our tires pretty much immediately when I started driving. So we're losing air slowly. I'm not really sure where it's coming from.
Front right.
But at least we're in the shade and we got some flat ground here. Yeah, I don't know where it is.
It's dropping in pressure though?
It's just dropping very slowly, but it's happening.
But front right.
We're taking off the spare. Charlie's got that under control. Miles is lifting up the car while filming. We've already loosened the lug nuts.
Filming makes everything so much easier.
Oh yeah,
Just do both things.
so
at once.
smooth. Copyrighted music. Jack this up right there on the control arm.
There it comes off. With narrow margins.
Yep. Cool. Tire is on. Great success. Good job, Charlie.
Good job here with the jack. This is the culprit right here.
That's the problem with off-road package tires on the G-Wagon, is they don't have any sidewall protection. All right, we got the wheel and tire changed. The sidewall puncture tire is on the back. Wasn't too bad of an ordeal. We're gonna tiptoe our way back to our campsite because now we don't have our backup. I had a sidewall patch repair kit that I could have used that would have been perfect for this situation, but didn't bring it with me on this trip, so next time I will remember. I think we'll probably come back out here with the side-by-sides and have a little bit more confidence in their durability, at least. Tire durability. Punctures are always so tricky. You never quite know when they're going to happen, how they'll happen. It's just a little bit of bad luck. This is nice and squishy here. Too bad Mercedes doesn't fit a proper set of all-terrain tires on this package, because it would just be so good. And that's really the only thing it needs. You don't really need the roof rack, and you don't really need the little ladder, but the off-road skid plate protection is great, and the off-road modes are fantastic to have. Working our way through up and down some trails here. ABS works well off-road. That's nicely calibrated. This tire warning is just the spare that it's picking up. It's still reading it in that location. I don't know if it's going to reset or if it'll figure out that we rotated another tire into that corner. This Mojave Trail is really, really cool. There's just so much good stuff to explore. Bronco Sport, that's all you need. Honestly, out of these three vehicles, this G63 is the most comfortable. Even the Raptor R can have some bigger shunts. Of course, you're probably going faster in the Raptor R, but at lower speeds, the suspension is really cushy here. It just filters out all the little bumps and imperfections so well. I love the steering on this G63 too. This is such a sporting wheel, and the rack is just so smooth. There's no vibrations translated through. And it's just so fast. All right, well, while we're waiting for the other guys, I think we can probably make some conclusions here with the G-Wagon. Didn't get a chance to test this as much as we wanted to, just because, well, can't really push the limits if we don't have a spare tire anymore, and we got to get ourselves back out of here. We got to tow a trailer about 3 hours home. So I think that's going to wrap up my off-road coverage on the G63. It is so capable. It's just let down by some very street-oriented pedestrian tires. For an off-road package, pretty big oversight by AMG, but I understand people aren't really using this for off-roading. But if you were, I would definitely get a different set of tires on these 20-inch wheels, or maybe even, could you downsize to smaller than 20? Probably not. It's pretty tight caliper clearance. Maybe a set of 19s would work, but there are some options out there. Otherwise, very impressed with the G-Wagon, what it is capable of, and what it can do in the time that we had it. If you guys are looking to off-road your G63, get a proper set of tires and just go send it. It is so capable. The ground clearance, approach and departure angles are fantastic, super comfortable, very luxurious, and yeah, it looks really, really proper out here on the trail too. That's gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.